Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to disconnect your AirPods from your Apple ID. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth menu, you should see your AirPods listed. Find them, and then tap the blue information icon, the little I icon, on the right side of their name. This will take you to the AirPods Pro settings. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you'll see an option that says, Forget this device. Tap on that. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to forget this device. It's important to note that this will remove your AirPods from all of your devices and your iCloud account, so make sure you really want to do this. When you're ready, tap on Forget Device. And just like that, your AirPods have been removed from the list and successfully disconnected from your Apple ID. Now, if you're planning on selling your AirPods, as a precaution, I strongly recommend factory resetting them to completely erase any remaining information. Here's how to do that. First, open the AirPods case, making sure both earbuds are inside. Once the case is open with the AirPods inside, turn the case over so you can see the back. Locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold that button. Keep holding it until the LED light on the front of the case starts flashing. Now continue holding the button down for about 5 to 15 seconds until the LED starts flashing amber, that orangey-yellow color. Pause briefly while waiting for amber flash. Okay, great. As you can see, the LED is now flashing amber, so we can release our finger from the button and close the AirPods case. This means your AirPods have now been successfully factory reset and are safe to pass on to a new owner. So, if this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.